Welcome to Preschool Summer Reading, all together now for the week of July 31st, 2023, Part 1. A World of Kindness from the editors and illustrators of Pajama Press. Are you kind? Do you wait your turn? Will you help someone younger? Or older? Are you gentle with animals big and small? Do you say please and thank you? It's easy, you know. But can you say I'm sorry if ever you're wrong? Could you share something special? When someone is shy, do you help her join in? Will you watch over someone else? When someone is sad, will you comfort him? Will you be a friend to someone new? And that, my friend, is how a little kindness grows into a world of kindness. The end. We're going to make a coffee filter earth, which can also be used as a sun catcher. What you'll need is your Craft to Go kit, which is just a coffee filter. I have this square plate here. This is just to protect my work surface because we're going to put water on this. Then you'll need washable markers in blue and green, a paintbrush, and some water. So the first thing we're going to do is draw our earth. Do it however you want. This is just basic. And then what we're going to do is we're going to color it in. I'm going to color all the green parts in here green, and we're going to color the outside parts blue. And it doesn't have to be completely colored in because you're going to put water on it and the colors are going to bleed. So I'm going to go ahead and color this in and then come back and show you what happens when I add the water. Alright, so I've colored the whole thing. You can see it's definitely not to scale. And you can see there's some white spots in there. Like I said, they'll fill in when you start putting the water on. So we're going to get the water and just dip your paintbrush in and then just brush. And you can see the colors are starting to melt together here, to run together. Make sure you wet the whole thing. And then when it's done, you can hang it in a window and the sun will shine through it and you'll have your earth. See these white spots here? See how it's blending in there? And that's all there is to it. You just brush the water all over. See, it's all kind of blurred together there. And that's all you do.